Introducing the stunning 2023 Citroen C5 X1.6 plug-in hybrid 225 Shine Plus 5DR E-eat8 estate. With only 9,250 miles on the clock, this beauty is practically brand new. Packed full of comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, every drive will be a luxurious experience. Safety is a top priority with ABS. Multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, the sleek styling of privacy glass and LED lights will turn heads wherever you go. And don't forget about the self-driving capabilities and over-air updates for the most up-to-date technology. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us now or visit our website at donnellygroup.co.uk for more information. Drive away in style and luxury today.